Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making individual meatloaves. Alright, I'm starting out here in a bowl and I have roughly about 2 pounds or a little over 2 pounds of lean ground beef. I'm going to start by cracking an egg in. We're going to keep our seasoning simple, but it's going to have big flavor. I'm going to start by putting in some worcestershire sauce, probably about 2 or 3 tablespoons. Put in about a teaspoon of salt. And guys, these are individual size, so everybody has their own meatloaf, and they can eat it right off the plate like that. Some black pepper, about a teaspoon of that. I'm going to put in about a teaspoon of onion powder, so all my spices are about a teaspoon. And about a teaspoon of granulated garlic. You could also use garlic powder, about a teaspoon of that. And I'm using Italian breadcrumb. You could use plain if you like. I'm going to put in about 1/4 of a cup. I'm going to get in here and mix this all together. Alright, now that that's in my mix, I'm going to add in 1 onion that I put in my chopper and dice it fine, and 1/2 of a green bell pepper. Almost forgot them, guys. And I'm going to add in a little more breadcrumb. This is still a little on the moist side, so we're going for about 1/2 cup of breadcrumb. I'm going to get in here and finish mixing this together. Okay, now that I have my ground beef all mixed together on a non-stick sheet pan, I'm going to make my individual meatloaves. And I'm going to make them roughly about the size of a toy football. And if I have, I'm going to try to get 7 of them. If I have them too big, I'll have to steal off of some to get that 7th one out of there. Okay, now they have all my meatloaves formed, and I actually had enough to make 8. Now this part's optional, but this makes it really good. I'm going to put on some chili sauce. If you guys aren't sure what that is, that's like a ketchup with chili seasoning in it. Little tangy, a little bit of sweet. Makes them really good. You could also do it without this and just have just brown meatloaves. I just want to get it down on all of them. And I'm going to take a spoon and just smear that around. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this in a 400-degree oven uncovered for 30 minutes. That should be long enough to bake these meatloaves through so that they're not pink in the middle, and get that chili sauce nice and caramelized on there. And any fat that's in the meatloaf will drain down under that drain pan. Alright, these just came out of the oven, they're done. Some of them split apart a little bit, but they're still going to be good. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I had a little more chili sauce on top of my meatloaf, and I went ahead and made some mashed potatoes and carrots to go with this. Go ahead and break that open. See my meatloaf's done through. Give her a taste. It's really delicious, well seasoned. You can taste that green pepper, onion, and seasonings. It's moist. That's really delicious, guys. It wasn't hard at all, and you have meatloaf for one. Alright, there you have it. Individual meatloaves. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.